Hello dear doctors, I am Dr. Tanzin Jahan. I am currently working as a mentor of MRCPCH in Doctors Academy. Actually, it is a membership exam from Royal College of Paediatrics and Child Health. It has 3 parts, 2 theory part and 1 clinical part. For the part 1, there will be 2 parts, part A and part B. Part A will be Foundation of Practice and the part 2 is Theory and Science. In Foundation of Practice, the questions will be about the disease investigation and management, the clinical questions, and for Theory and Science, it will be the basics of these diseases, like the pathophysiology, the pharmacological mechanism of action. These are for the Theory and Science part. About the question patterns, there will be 70 to 80 single-based answer and 6 to 10 extended matching questions. About the exam centers for theory parts, there is no physical exam center in Bangladesh. But fortunately, we have online exam in case of theory exams for the Bangladeshi candidates. As well as the overseas candidates can take part through online exam also in India, in Nepal, UK, Singapore, Malaysia, UAE, they have direct exam centers. For the clinical part, you have to go to a specific center that is directed by Royal College to take part in the clinical exam. It will be a face-to-face exam with the patients. There is lots of centers across the world like India, Nepal, UK, UAE. There is lots of options there. So for the clinical part, you have to definitely go to the center and take part in the exam with the patients. About exam fees. For the part 1, Foundation of Practice and Theory and Science, altogether the exam fee is £725. But if you want to take part Foundation of Practice and Theory and Science separately, then you have to pay separately £435. 435 for Foundation of Practice and another £435 for Theory and Science. For the part 2, that is Applied Knowledge in Paediatrics, you have to pay approximately £850. And for the clinical exam fee, it actually varies from center to center. If the center is in UK, the exam fee will be around 800 to 900 pound. If you apply in Nepal, it will be like within 1200 pound. If it is in India, it will be 1550 pound. It varies from center to center. The career opportunities after completing MRCPCH is very promising. In UK, you can join directly as a ST3 registrar after completing MRCPCH. In Bangladesh, you can get very good job facilities in corporate hospital and other facilities too. In Middle East countries, MRCPCH is a very promising career to achieve. In their country, all other consultants have done MRCPCH, and if you complete MRCPCH and you have a good amount of training, you can directly apply for the Middle East countries. MRCPCH is a very question-oriented exam. You have to know what is coming in the exam and what is not important. So that is why a mentor or a good institution or a guideline from a good mentor from a good institution is very important. Preparation for part 1 or each theory part, I would suggest to prepare yourself for 6 months at least. In our Doctors Academy, our course durations are 6 months, 4 months and 3 months. I would suggest you to study 6 months at a stretch, then decide whether you will do the both parts together or the parts singly. But first 6 months preparation is very important. The study materials is quite vast. Like if you want to know the name of the books, it will be like 10 or 15. But in our Doctors Academy, we are making some lecture notes from all those books, the important parts, compiling in a single lecture note for each system that will help our students to study precisely and very effectively for the exam. Joining the Doctors Academy for MRCPCH will be a very wise decision because we will provide you some lecture notes which are very precise, and it will help all the candidates to prepare for the exam in a very precise way. Okay, we have the great mentor teams. That team will help you until you pass the exam. At any point of your preparation, we will be there for you. After joining the Doctors Academy, you will have an access to our e-learning platform. Even if for the job or duty, if you are unable to join any of our class or miss our class, you can have that class in our e-learning platform so that you can prepare yourself at your own convenient time. Our every updated class will be uploaded in the e-learning platform. Also, the other question banks like past test, past pairs, everything will be included in the course. In the e-learning platform, you will get all the resources, all the books you needed. Other than that, if you need any kind of help from our administrative team or our mentor team, you will get all kind of support. So dear doctors, I would like to welcome all of you to join the Doctors Academy for the MRCPCH course and take your MRCPCH degree within a very short period of time in your hand. Thank you.